Most of us by now will have heard about relay crime, the crime that causes our cars to be stolen without the need for keys. So basically what happens is you have two people, one with the scanner trying to pick up the signal from your key, the other with the receiver right by your car. When they get the signal from your key, the car opens and the thieves drive away. Other than wrapping your keys in tin foil, putting them in the microwave, or adding a visual deterrent such as an old stop lock, there's not a lot you can actually do about this. So how can you stop your weekend being ruined by your car being taken away? Ghost installations have a possible answer to your problem. Unlike a stop lock or anything that's visible, Ghost literally is like a ghost. You can't see it, you've no idea it's installed, it just sits there and protects your car. So how does it do it? What Ghost does is it literally turns your car into a pin. So you can program it to have a certain combination of buttons, levers, whatever, to act as a key to starting the car. So even if somebody actually had the fob, they wouldn't be able to do anything with the button. The most they'd be able to do is put the radio on. And that's it. The device itself, there's no evidence it's actually in. It's hidden away, and even if you did manage to find all the wiring and everything as well, it's all blacked out, so you don't know what wiring's doing what. It's really enhancing the immobilizers of old. Because let's face it, you can put a visual deterrent on your steering wheel, like a stop lock or something like that. However, any self-respecting car thief will already know how to get past those. So the most you'd be doing is delaying them by a couple of minutes. Let's face it, they haven't woken you up by getting into the car at the time. They're not going to wake you up getting the stop lock off. And it's 2 minutes. It's a 2-minute job for them. So visual deterrents aren't necessarily going to be a good thing. That's all good and well, but is it just for the big flashy cars that are likely to be stolen using something like relay crime, or can they be used for any car? Well, truth is, they can be used for any car. So even if you had a regular key that goes into the ignition, you can still use Ghost to protect your car. So Ghost, it is literally an enhancement to the existing immobilizers, which the fob would get past anyway. So, for example, you could do that button, turn the buttons down there, something like that, and then the car would start. Which, there we go. But if you don't know that combination, you ain't going to start the car. So in that respect, Ghost is a really good piece of hardware to have. But what about when you're servicing your car? Will you have to give your PIN to the mechanic? Well, no. You can have a servicing mode, so the car will act as if Ghost wasn't actually there. You have a very easy process for changing your PIN code should you feel you've been compromised. And the great thing is, there's nothing in addition to the actual Ghost hardware behind the scenes. It's all done via the ECU. It's literally undetectable using diagnostics, so you can't tell it's there at all. And it can't be bypassed using standard theft methods. No additional fobs, no additional devices whatsoever. You fit it and forget it. Now, Ghost are available online. You've got various pages you can get to, and you can see them at ghostinstallations.co.uk. It's well worth visiting the site, and there's a lot of things it can actually help you out with. It can be taken to a fitter, or they can come to you. Either way, it's all built around what you need to protect your car.